One of the Mavericks' biggest pet peeves in all of sport is in the sport of athletics, sprinting to be exact. When sprint coaches set up their sprint relay teams with the slowest sprinter on the anchor leg, and conversely, with their fastest sprinter on the back stretch or the third leg, the thinking is to go out fast, establish a lead, and hold on to the tape. I never seen nothing I hate so much. Yes. You know how much race Missy McGill with that strategy? And look, we understand the thinking that some sprinters run the corner better than some others, and that some sprinters run relay legs better than the flat races. But I am a believer in top-end speed. I think a race supposed to finish stronger instead of finish weaker. Reason being that a fast finisher with good top-end speed can make up for any mistakes made earlier in the race. If, for example, now, your fastest runner run the second leg and fumble the change between him and the third leg, by the time it reach the anchor leg runner, if him don't have no top-end speed, him can't run down nobody. So you lose the race already. If it was the fastest runner now with the top end speed and anchor, him could have run down the field and give you another chance. This thing about establishing a lead and hold on, it hurt me head every time I see it. Sprinters must run down people and pass them if it's even on the line. What do you mean?